Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and tonight for dinner I am having some shrimp ramen noodles. I put 2 packets in because I'm probably going to have 2 meals out of this, more than likely, but it's just easier to make a bunch of it at one time, and then I'm going to go and portion it out after I do this video. So I used 2 ramen packets but only 1 seasoning, and then I put some of that egg roll sauce that I got from the farmer's market lady on there, and then I had a tomato that was getting a little wrinkly, so I cut it up into, I literally took some kitchen shears and cut it up into little tiny wedges so I could put it in here. And I had also cut up a bunch of broccoli in little pieces first. So what I did to make it, hang on one second. Ooh, gotta move this over. Oh, sorry about that. I had to cough. So anyways, I forgot where I was. So anyways, I'm gonna start with how I made it. I'm gonna try to see if it's gonna focus a little better. Alright, so what I did first is I cut up the broccoli into tiny slices. And then I cooked that till it was almost done. Then I threw the 2 noodles in and cooked it all together at the same time. And so that the broccoli came together at the time, ready at the time the noodles were. And then I drained it. And then I added the sauce from the farmer's market lady, the egg roll lady. And then I found that I had a tomato that I had to use up. It was a pretty big tomato, so what I did is I just took some kitchen shears, seeing that it was getting wrinkly, and cut it up into tiny pieces and mixed it in there. So that is my dinner for tonight, and maybe lunch or dinner for tomorrow as well. So after this video, I'm going to go out to the kitchen, portion it out, and that's what I'll have. Maybe tomorrow I'll add some meat or something with it. I just don't feel like it tonight. So anyways, that's what I'm having for dinner. And as always, may God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now. See you next time.